Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at your oversized house and thought, wow, I have way too much space for absolutely no reason? No? Well, stick with me anyway, because today we're talking about something small, stylish, and just about perfect. The brand new Shadow Tiny House by Modern Tiny Living. This is the kind of house that makes minimalists cry tears of joy and makes McMansion owners reconsider their life choices. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you love all things tiny, mobile, and ridiculously well-designed, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on the latest and greatest from Camp Auto. Now, let's dive in. Shadow is a 24-foot, 7.3 meters masterpiece that redefines what it means to live large in a small space. With 276 square feet, 25.6 square meters of total floor area, this tiny home isn't about cramming as many people in as possible. It's about comfort, elegance, and making your friends jealous when they visit. The exterior is a perfect balance of black and white, giving it that sleek, modern look like a tuxedo on wheels. Let's talk kitchen, because let's be honest, that's where most of us spend our time. Shadow features a full-size electric stove and oven, a microwave, and a massive 30-inch farmhouse sink, because apparently even in a tiny house, you need a wash pots big enough to cook for an army. A full-size stainless steel fridge fits neatly into its own tower, and right next to it, there's a washer/dryer unit. So yes, you can live tiny and still not have to smell like campfire smoke all the time. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but what about the bathroom? This isn't some glorified closet with a hose and a bucket. Shadow's bathroom is as stylish as it gets, featuring a matte black sliding solid oak door, black cabinets, and a shower with a stunning black hexagon tile accent wall that screams luxury. If you ever wanted to feel like a millionaire while standing in 25 square feet, this is the way to do it. The master bedroom is where Shadow really sets itself apart. Unlike many tiny homes where you have to crawl into a loft like a raccoon looking for snacks, this one has a proper bedroom that prioritizes comfort. And if you do have guests, the versatile social area downstairs can accommodate 2 more people. So, how much does this slice of tiny paradise cost? While exact pricing varies, modern tiny living's deluxe models often range between $90,000 and $120,000. Roughly 83,000 euros to 110,000 euros, depending on customizations. Not bad for a house that could make your studio apartment look like an overpriced shoebox. If you're into smart design, maximum style, and the ability to park your house wherever you want within legal limits, of course, Shadow is a top-tier choice. And hey, if you're feeling generous, you can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's right, one tiny dollar. Less than the cost of an energy drink that you don't actually need. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best things in life might just come in tiny packages.